Done uploading. Now I will be opening the serial monitor at the baud rate of 9600. Serial monitor, change the baud rate to 9600. On the 9600 baud rate, currently it is not dipped inside the sensor, so there will be no value. So it will be coming to the highest value 1024, near to that one. It is the highest value. Now I will be touching the sensor from both the side. See, the value dropped down. The more moisture will be there, the less the value will be coming over on the sensor. See, when I am touching it using my moist hand, so it is coming up to 790. Okay? So दो values आपके पास आ चुकी है. One is the highest value and one is the value onto the moisture. आप चाहो तो इसे पानी में डिप भी कर सकते हो. Little like. We have the cup. पानी में डिप करने पे कुछ वैल्यूज आएंगी, राइट? नाउ you have to reprogram now because you know the value when the surface is totally moist. What is the value? So dry होने पे कब आपको यहाँ पे water डालना है वापस से? It's up to you. Suppose if the value will be greater than 1000, then you have to water this area. That means you have to turn on something, right? So there after the reading over here, you need to use the conditional statement if and else. If analog rate A0 greater than equal to 1000, then turn on one output. Else turn off that output. Okay? Please show me one output. Work on the output. And I will be coming in 5 minutes.
से कॉल करो उनको भी, धमकी दो उनको, यही आया तुम्हारे बाल में।
So have you received the output? Yes? How many of you have received the output? Those who have not received the output yet, please raise your hand. जिनका output नहीं आया है, raise your hand. सबका आ गया? Great. So that means you are learning. If you are getting the output on your own, that means you are learning. Great. The only thing remaining is to put your idea. Okay, now check out this sensor also. How to use this sensor, I have just showed you, and you have half of the thing you have what? Okay. In which area, where, in which project you will be using, it's up to you. Okay. What will be the mixture, what will be the additive with this sensor, it's up to you. Okay. Now coming to the next sensor, that is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor. It will be giving you the value of distance. पहले proximity sensor यूज किया था, वो आपको distance नहीं दे रहा था, बस सामने में कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आया इतना बता दिया, बट what is the distance of the object from the source ये नहीं बता रहा था, right? So using this ultrasonic sensor, we are going to have the distance value also. Okay. Now I'm going to place this ultrasonic sensor somewhere from E10 to E13, or you can place it from A10 to A13. It will be better if you are placing it like this, from A10 to A13. A10 to A13. Like this. This ultrasonic sensor is used for the radar system also, if applied properly. So for this you need a servo motor in addition to make a radar system. But right now we are using this ultrasonic sensor single with our Arduino to measure just the distance. Take out M to F jumper wire, sorry, M to M jumper wire. Put a jumper wire on VCC and give it the 5V supply. Put a jumper wire on the VCC. VCC, that means E10. Put a jumper wire on E10. E10 in front of the VCC and connect it to the 5V. Connect another jumper wire on E13, that is GND. E13, that is GND. So connect it to the GND. E13 to the GND. There are two more pins. One is trig, one is echo. Trig is the output and echo is the input. So how it is going to work? Please pay attention. Please pay attention. As the name suggests, it is the ultrasonic sensor. That means it will be using the ultrasonic sound waves. Okay, it will be using sound waves. right? Here at the very first we have to emit the sound waves using the trigger pin. Using the trigger pin, we have to emit the sound wave and we have to wait until the sound wave will be received back. So for this case, we have to note down the timings. कि जिस टाइम हमने emit किया उस टाइम पे क्या टाइम था, and then when we will receive back the sound wave, then what is the timing? So the total timing will be stop time minus start time. It will give you the total timing for the distance traveled, right? So distance will be stop time minus start time. ये आपका total timing आपका आ जाएगा. Now to calculate the actual distance, we have the speed of sound. ये तो universal है, हमें तो calculate नहीं करना है. Universal है speed of sound. If you have speed, if you have time, then what's the big issue? You can calculate the distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. That's it. And please pay attention one more time over here. Suppose this boy is the object for me. Okay. Now I am your ultrasonic sensor. I'm transmitting the sound wave. Now one time my sound wave is traveled to that place where that boy is sitting, and then again the same sound wave is traveling back to reach back to me. That means the same sound wave is traveling twice the distance. So the actual distance will be whatever the distance value you will be getting divided by 2. इतना समझ में तो आ गया? Actual distance क्या होगा? Speed into time divided by 2. That is your actual distance. So now please everyone connect trigger pin to the pin number 7. Trig pin to the pin number 7 and echo pin to the pin number 6. Check at the back side of the sensor. Check at the back side of sensor, trig और echo आपको मिल जाएगा. Trigger pin to the pin number 7, digital pin 7. Take out the jumper wire. Using the jumper wire, connect the trigger pin that lies on A11 actually. So on E11, put a jumper wire and connect it to the pin number 7, digital pin number 7. Then E12, connect a jumper wire that is in front of echo pin E12 to the pin number 6. Now from the content which I have shared to you, open up this file, distance. So distance actually in place of S I have put it D 10. The spelling is wrong. So you can understand the distance folder. Open up that one. आप स्पेलिंग सही कर लेना, टाइपिंग एरर है, जल्दी से टाइप कर दिया था. Now as you can see, here we have taken one constant integer which is the ping pin. Ping pin is actually the trigger pin which will be emitting the sound wave in the burst. बस्ट मीन्स कंटिन्यूसली नहीं छोड़ रहा है, कुछ इंटरवल पे छोड़ रहा है, बंद कर रहा है, छोड़ रहा है, बंद कर रहा है, यानी बस्ट में आपका साउंड वेव को इमिट कर रहा है. एंड अनदर, आपको कंटेंट दिया था मैंने पेन ड्राइव में, डायरेक्टली आप बाहर जाके खोलो, यहाँ से नहीं, नॉर्मल वे में आप बाहर जाओ उस फोल्डर पे. Then echo pin is on the 6th, that is your input. In the void setup, we have given over here serial dot begin. Serial monitor को start किया है with the baud rate 9600, and we have taken up a function over here that is long. In the long, calculation will be done for the duration, centimeter and inches. Distance will be calculated into the two mode, that is centimeter and inches, and the duration also we have to calculate. In the loop, it will be taking again and again pin mode, ping pin, that is your trigger pin, that is your pin number 7, which will be output. Then echo pin, which is pin number 6, which will be input. And then at the very first, what it will be doing, burst में ये emit करेगा sound wave, फिर बंद करेगा. तो ping ping को low किया गया है पहले 2 सेकंड के लिए, फिर high किया गया है 10 मिली सेकंड के लिए. सेकंड के लिए नहीं, बहुत ही कम टाइम के लिए, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड के लिए ऑन किया गया, फिर बंद कर दिया गया. अब क्या, बंद करने के बाद हम वेट कर रहे हैं 2 सेकंड कि हमारा साउंड वेव वापस आ जाए. नहीं आ रहा है, देन अगेन वी विल बर्स्ट. ओके, so this is what we are doing to burst the sound waves. Now when we are bursting the sound waves, your ping pin is low, which is your input. Your ping pin, that is your echo pin, is low, that is your input, will be calculated with the pulse in. जो pulse हमें receive होगा echo pin पे, उससे duration के background में जो calculation चल रही है वो speed into time वाली calculation चल रही है. Okay, it will be calculating the duration. And for the inches equal to micro in the Arduino, microseconds to inches, ये calculate कर लेगा. Inches is equal to microsecond to inches, and in bracket duration, whatever the duration will be coming, you have to convert that one into the inches. Then centimeter also, microsecond to centimeters. So it's a function for calculation for the duration. So it will be automatically calculating. Okay, whatever the duration it will be giving to you, it will be giving that one. Then serial dot print inches and inch value. Then serial dot print centimeter and centimeter, that will be written after the value. Now I'm going to upload this program to check. Okay, now here one error came over here, that is AVR due. Please read the error message. AVR due. This is the most common error message. It will come due to the two cases. One, when your serial monitor is opened while uploading the program. Or okay, so if serial monitor is open, please check whether anywhere serial monitor is open or closed. Yes, it is open. My serial monitor is open. See, so I need to close it. Just wait, I need to close it, it's not closing. Getting some issue with the serial monitor. It's not closing, it is stuck. I hope for you it is uploaded. For me also it is done. Opening the serial monitor. Now you can see the distance in inches and centimeter. Inches and in centimeter. Danish, are you here? Relay मिलेगा? कुछ wires भी लेते आना. Now I'm going to show you how to drive a real output. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था कि मैं एक real example भी चला. So just wait, have some patience. Wires, power supply chain. Wires, line meter. Okay, please check how I will be doing the connection. This one is the output. This line is showing the output which I will be getting from the Arduino. Okay, and this output I will be taking out to the relay to operate this kind of outputs. Okay, which needs higher power supply. Okay, On this relay, we will be having one coil inside this one which is not visible. It is closely packed inside the box. And this coil needs a ground also. Positive हमने कहाँ से दिया? Output from the Arduino and negative हमने बाहर से supply कर दिया. In front of this coil, we will be having one normally closed. NC stands for normally closed switch. And in front of this one, which will be it will be connected with an open switch with a plunger, or you can say spring or plunger. So whenever there will be a supply onto the coil, इसे on कैसे कराते हैं? Switch से. Relay is your electromechanical switch, which will be turned on using some electrical or electronic signal, and it's also a switch. Okay. So from here, if I will be getting a signal from the Arduino, this coil will get energized and will be giving you some electromagnetic field over here. And what is the behavior of magnet? It will pull the things towards it. Okay, those will be the conductive elements for my magnet. It will pull that elements towards it. So क्या होगा कि after some time this NC will be pulled. Let us suppose still over here. Okay, that means this normally closed switch will be open, and if it is connected with this NO, normally open switch, so this one also will be pulled towards that. So after some time it will be closed. If I will be doing some connection, suppose 230 plus 220 or 230, okay, over here, if I will be giving over here, and from over here if I will be connecting a bulb, then bulb needs the neutral, that means negative, and this positive you will be switching on or off using this relay. Okay, आपके नॉर्मल जो घरों में स्विच होता है या कॉलेज में स्विच होता है, वो ऐसे ही काम करता है. स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो लाइन हम सप्लाई करते हैं, राइट? तो एनी हाउ वी आर स्विचिंग ऑन यूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक सिग्नल. स्विच ऑन होगा, ऑन हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड? कुछ चीजें मैं करके भी दिखा रहा हूँ आपको यहाँ प्रैक्टिकली, जिसमें थोड़ा और मजा आएगा, आपके आइडियाज और जनरेट हो जाएंगे. कुछ और है ड्राइव करने के लिए, लाइक होल्डर बल्ब, कुछ ऐसा वहाँ पे है? होल्डर बल्ब कुछ भी, एक स्क्रू ड्राइवर वहाँ पे देखा है मैंने, वो देखा स्क्रू ड्राइवर होगा वहाँ. आपकी मशीनें 5 वोल्ट पे नहीं चलती हैं. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम शोइंग यू दिस वन. आप चले जाओ सामने रूम में और बोलना स्ट्रिपर भी लेके आए. स्ट्रिपर, वो स्ट्रिपर और वायर कटर सर पीछे था. ये जो कॉमन पॉइंट है, सबसे पहले मैं इसे कनेक्ट कर लूँ, यहाँ से मैं लाइन सप्लाई कर सकता हूँ। ओके, इस कॉमन पॉइंट को मैं कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ सबसे पहले।
सर अवेलेबल
नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है। तो ये हमारा कॉमन पॉइंट हो गया है, जो आपके स्विच बोर्ड पे जाएगा फॉर गेटिंग द लाइन सप्लाई। ओके, इट विल बी गोइंग ऑन टू द स्विच बोर्ड फॉर द लाइन सप्लाई। तो ये लाइन वाला कनेक्शन हो गया। नाउ फ्रॉम हियर आई नीड टू गिव इट टू द होल्डर ऑफ द बल्ब। ओके, क्योंकि बल्ब पे डायरेक्टली तो आप टच नहीं कर सकते, होल्डर चाहिए। सो आई विल बी गिविंग इट टू द होल्डर। सो होल्डर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द एनो, तो यहाँ पे एनो मेंशन है, एनो। So I will be giving it to the holder. देखिए, जब रियल में सीखना चाहता है कोई और कोई सिखाना चाहता है तो सब कुछ अवेलेबल हो जाता है। ठीक है, ये आपका चला जाएगा लाइन के लिए, ये आपका जाएगा होल्डर पे यहाँ से। Okay, this is going inside the holder.